Hey everyone, here's a quick overview of my Rube Goldberg machine, which has 8 transfers of energy. We start out by rolling a marble down the ramp, and it rolls down into the top of the bottle and swirls around a little bit there before dropping down and hitting that craft stick, which pushes the other side of the stick up, releasing that plunger, which is holding the scissors. And the scissors swing across and knock the tennis ball down the ramp and into a block of wood, which falls off the table, pulling the string down, which pulls on the stick, which pulls the cardboard down and the other side up, knocking the roll of tape off the tube and onto the lever, which flips the coin. Let's take a look and see how it goes. Here it is again in slow motion.